Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the car that was chosen for the subscriber's choice and what we're going to add into the lineup for next month. Okay, so I just counted the votes, and something that I thought may happen sometime did. And the first thing I'm going to say is the T-Bird, which got 2 votes, did not get chosen. Maybe it will be chosen next time. Who knows? You guys will have to vote on this video for the one that you want to be voted for me to build for the month of June. With that being said, the Mustang right here got 6 votes, and the Charger got 6 votes. So we have a tie. And we're going to flip a coin, and that's going to be the best 2 out of 3. So if it comes up heads, it's the Mustang. If it comes up tails, it's the Charger. So let me see if I can do this so it shows up on camera. That came up heads. That came up heads. So the Mustang is getting built this month. Okay. So with that being said, let's get the Mustang out of here and see which one we're going to put into the voting for the month of June. So I have 3 cars sitting back here. I have this Cuda. This is a 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. And you will see this most likely come up in a future unboxing video that I've already recorded. I also have a Montezuma, and this is in a Monte Carlo. That might make a very cool custom there. And we have a Super Smooth. This is the Hot Wheels name of this. This is looks like one of those Chevy retro looking trucks. So what I chose for this to go into the voting is the Monte Carlo. So these will go back in a box. We may or may not see them come up in future choices. But this is the choices for the month of June. So if you want me to build the Monte Carlo for the last weekly build in June, say Monte Carlo in your comment. If you'd like me to build the T-Bird for the last weekly build in June, put T-Bird. If you'd like to see me build the Charger for the last monthly build in June, put Charger. Only say the name of one car in your comment, and be sure to put it in the comments. Okay. So if you're new to the channel, if you haven't seen this before, what these cars are for, and here's the one that I just did for May, which is the very first car that you guys chose for me to build, is in January next year. All these cars that I'm building for the subscriber's choice will be given away. We'll have 2 videos in January. The first one, you will get to vote on which is your favorite car, and then I'll determine the lineup. And if some cars don't get votes, then I'll just pick a random order. And then a week later, I'll let you get, I'll give you guys a week to get your comments in, and then a week later, I'll record the prize drawing video. Okay, and then just like my giveaway videos, we'll start with the lowest one and go to the top of the list. So like I said, be sure to put in just the name of one car in your comment, and I usually don't respond to the comments on this because in the first one, for May, I actually was putting in comments, and I think more people actually voted on the Buick than would have, just because I said I didn't want to do it. So I learned my lesson. I'm not going to respond to as many comments on this video, but I will respond to some, and I read every comment, okay, and I will give you a heart and a like on your comment. If I don't respond to it, you'll see that I see your comments. So I'm really excited about this. I have not really decided what I want to do with this car yet. I gotta think about this one. This is 65 fastback. Already has a custom grill in there and everything. I think yeah, this is going to be pretty awesome. I don't know about paint yet, but I'm already thinking of some ideas of what to do with this. So I'm really excited about this one, guys. So again, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment down below which car you want me to build for the month of June, and voting will be open from now until the end of May, and at the first day of June or shortly after, I will close the voting and tally the votes and put up a new video. Okay, so leave your comment down below. Click that like button for me. I really appreciate seeing all the likes, and it does help me out a lot, more than you know. And ring the bell for notifications. I think that's everything. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.